Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in billet silver. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7083.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.